a good question. What would I tell someone who is afraid to chase their dreams? Just do it. I mean, there's a lot of potential behind being, afraid. Fear is the killer of all dreams. So I would tell that person, just don't be afraid. Don't care what people have to say about you. Don't worry about what people think. Just do it. It's your dream. If you feel strongly that you're destined to, live this dream, then just go for it. This is your dream. It's your life. So don't be afraid. Just keep pushing. Great question. Why? Because I always knew that I was destined to do more, to be more, to help people. I always wanted to help people, and I thought, going in the medical field, I could do that. But I found out no, I could help people on a more, severe way that people need help. A lot of people, want to get healthy. A lot of people really want to make money, and their job just isn't cutting it. Plain and simple. So I wanted to be an entrepreneur because I wanted to show people that it's possible, that you can do it. You can become your own boss, guys. And the struggle is going to be real. The struggle is definitely real, but it's worth it. I appreciate the journey. I appreciate the struggle. I will never forget where I came from, but I know where I'm going. So I just want to inspire, other people like me, minorities, moms and millennials, or whoever you are. I just want to inspire you that you can, do what you set your mind to do, and you can be great. So it's my purpose. It's in me. This is what I love to do. And also being a part of an awesome and amazing company. But this is what makes it really more better. Products are awesome. I always was on my health little journey, but I just couldn't get to where I wanted to be. And I found a company that is definitely going to help me get there. So I love being an entrepreneur, and I want to inspire more women who feel low of themselves to, get their confidence back and know that you can do anything that you set your mind to. So that is why. And also my family. I'm a new mom now. I have a great daughter, a great fiance, and I just want to prove to my family that we can live great, and there's more. So that's my why.